Surfshark VPN. It cements its position as a user-friendly and feature-rich VPN, perfectly tailored for Android users. It's not just about offering a VPN service. Surfshark enhances the Android experience with its blend of simplicity, security, and unique features. At the heart of Surfshark's appeal is its intuitive Android app. The app simplifies the VPN experience overall, making it accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned VPN user or new to this entire concept, Surfshark's one-click connection and easy navigation ensures a hassle-free experience. The Quick Connect feature is particularly useful, instantly connecting you to the fastest server based on your location, while allowing you to easily access your favorite or frequently used servers. One of Surfshark's standout features for Android users specifically is the Override GPS feature. This innovative feature aligns your GPS location with your VPN location, offering an added layer of privacy and security. It ensures that your physical location and your digital location are in sync, a critical aspect for Android users concerned about location-based tracking. In addition to its user-friendly interface, Surfshark provides robust security features such as AES 256-bit encryption, ensuring that your online activities are secure and encrypted. They also have a kill switch, which maintains your privacy in case your VPN connection drops, a feature vital to maintaining your anonymity online. CleanWeb blocks ads and malicious websites, ensuring a safer and smoother browsing experience on your Android device. Surfshark's commitment to privacy extends to its no logs policy, ensuring that your online activities are not recorded or shared. Now, despite the fact that they are based in the Netherlands, a member of the Nine Eyes Alliance, Surfshark's strict policy provides peace of mind regarding your data privacy. Moreover, Surfshark offers unlimited device connections under a single subscription, making it an economical choice for families or individuals with multiple devices. This feature is especially beneficial for Android users who often switch between different devices in a single day. In summary, Surfshark stands out as an ideal VPN choice for Android users, offering a blend of simplicity, innovative features like GPS override, and strong security protocols. It's much more than just a VPN. It's an enhancement to your Android experience, providing both security and convenience. When selecting a VPN for your Android device, consider the following key aspects. First up, security features. Look for VPNs with strong encryption, like AES 256-bit, to ensure that your data is secure. A reliable kill switch and no logs policy are also essential for maintaining your privacy. Speed and performance. Choose a VPN that offers fast speeds and stable connections to ensure a smooth experience, especially when streaming or gaming. A user-friendly interface. An intuitive and easy-to-navigate app is crucial, especially if you're not a tech-savvy individual. Server networks. A vast network of server networks provides you more options for geo-blocking and generally better speeds due to less crowding on one specific network. Unique Android features. Consider VPNs that offer Android-specific features like GPS override, ad blocking, or custom DNS settings for enhanced functionality. These aren't paid promotions, but we do receive a small commission if you use our links, and that is a great way to support our channel and help us bring more insightful content to all of you, while also ensuring that you are getting access to special offers on the top VPNs. Your support is immensely appreciated, and we look forward to continuing to serve as your guide in the digital world.